Alright, what's up guys? So I'm about to hit up the coast right now, solo. Well, it's always solo, but yeah, about to hit a PCH cruise and yeah, check out the beach, the ocean before some little storm comes. And I haven't been there in a long time, but yeah. So I have my the GoPro mount a little bit lower because I'm not using my hat. So usually when it's on top of the bill of the hat, it's all the way up here. So right now it should be a little bit lower. So kind of want to check out this other camera, but yeah, funds are low. I'm about to sell an RC car right now. So yeah, those RC cars are pretty dang cool because you know, I enjoy them. Well, they're very enjoyable, you know, by a lot of people, but it's more of an investment. So when you buy one and you're upgrading it, you know, you could always break even or make some profit. But yeah, so and my phone just fell. So yeah, or you can make profit or you could break even. And even if you buy an RC car and let's say you buy it for 300 bucks and then you sell it for 250, 50 bucks loss, but that's worth, you know, like the happiness of building it, running it, upgrading it, stuff like that. You know, you're gonna be enjoying it. So small price to pay, but it's worth it for a smile, you know. All right, so let's see what's happening here. There's a bunch of police, ambulance and all that stuff. So it's always something going down, right here. And then I completely forgot to clean my windshield. Yeah, so I gotta clean that, but yeah. All right, so I'm about to enter the freeway. Hopefully over there we could see some exotic cars or something cool. Would be nice. But usually they're cruising on the weekend, but we'll see. I think it's like a Wednesday, I'm not even sure. Let me see. Yeah, and I need a wheel alignment bad. My tire is like bald. Doing DIY alignment on this isn't really possible unless you have like a more crazier setup. All right, so it's kind of flowing. Alright, so I'm gonna cut it off as soon as I hit up Pacific Coast Highway. I'll turn it back on and let's see what happens. Hopefully it's like a nice view. It looks a little bit foggy, but yeah, we'll see. Alright, so this is where the freeway ends right here. Feels so good, nice and planted. So yeah, it's nice out today. Looks pretty sweet. I'll probably just go to some little canyon or something and take some pics overlooking the ocean, just make it back home. That's basically all I wanted to do, but I primarily wanted to like see like some Lambos or something, but I know that's not gonna happen. We'll see. Yeah guys, this is just totally relaxing right here. Just driving, looking at the beach. There's like 50 million RVs. This is just like a huge stress reliever, like we all know. But yeah, man, there's so many RVs. There's at least, I just seen probably about 2,000 already since I entered PCH. It's crazy. Yeah, but no nice bikes, nothing. But yeah, in this particular area, there's been a lot of you know, racing and reckless ass people crashing and killing pedestrians. It's a pretty dangerous place right here to be a pedestrian. It's basically, you know, like trying to cross a freeway and being on the side of a freeway in an accident, so you're bound to get hit if you're standing. It's pretty risky right here. So I actually heard that, you know, California lawmakers were going to enforce, you know, more strict limits right here, speed limits. And they even mentioned something about speed bumps. No. You would not be able to travel this place with speed bumps. Yeah, so still cruising. Yeah, but man, it's crazy. Like real estate and property, like this little place is like the size of you know, an average 2-bedroom. Yeah, it goes to the beach, but 2-bedroom house. It's pretty old, looks like 50s, 60s. That's probably about $5 million right there or more. It's crazy. Like, property is so high, even in like the more ghetto parts. An actual like parking lot or any type of land, I've been trying to inquire, and yeah, it's through the roof. It's crazy. Talking about like millions of dollars for like a dirt lot that you could park like maybe like 10 cars on, or 8 cars. It's ridiculous. That's a beautiful part right here. Super sweet. So it looks like, yeah, I can't even go inside. That's where I was supposed to go, and I don't want to go in through there again or attempt that. So that kind of sucks. Maybe there's a reason why that shit's blocked, because you know, if there's a sign like that. But yeah, guys, so I couldn't really go into that that hillside because yeah, it was blocked. So I'm just gonna make my way back home. This is more of an experimental video just to see like how POVs turn out. And yeah, pretty sure I won't post this, but if I do, I do. But this isn't really like an actual video. This is just an experiment. But yeah, but I am gonna park somewhere and check out the car. All right, I think I'm gonna pull somewhere right here. Yeah, that should be good. Tagging, homeless, what's new? All right, so let me get out. Man, this is kind of a crappy view, but yeah. All right, guys. Nice little view over here. Hopefully I don't fall off these rocks. Yeah, this place is sweet. Nice day today. There's a car right there. Looks pretty sweet. Look how bald the tires are. I'm not even driving it in the rain. They're slicks. The alignment is so bad. I think maybe it just became unadjusted or something, because that's just recent too. I mean, they were bald, but not like that. And I haven't even been driving the car that much. But yeah, so gonna chill for a little bit and then get back on the road. So yeah, so it's a little bit of a peaceful time right now. Man, too bad I couldn't find any Hondas or anything to cruise with, run with. But that kind of sucks. And then everybody I know, their car's down, or the people that really want to, like, you know, go on cruises and stuff, or out of state, they live in other states. So yeah, I'm kind of just being stuck being solo, at least for now, until my buddies fix their cars or buy cars or something like that. Man, 45 speed limit, come on. And everybody's braking too. Great, behind a box truck. I could probably get like a nice little pool in the tunnel, maybe. We'll see how things go. but I'm actually surprised that I haven't hit traffic. I gotta knock on wood, but I have no wood in here. But yeah, this is abnormally few cars. It's 2 o'clock too, so oh, is that a GR Corolla? Nope. That would have been clean. Okay, well, yeah, well, this is where it stops. I think I spoke too soon, but this is really not that bad.